Hello, my name is Kevin Annett. I'm speaking to you from the territory of the Republic of Canada, formerly the so-called Dominion of Canada. It's November 29th, 2014. I've got a very important announcement for you. This has to do with a public order of revocation. That is, the revoking of the authority of the so-called Royal Canadian Mounted Police and the courts of Canada, the so-called Crown Courts, which are guilty of genocide in Canada by serving a criminal body known as the Crown of England and the Government of Canada. Now, some of you may know about a dispute happening right now on the West Coast where a rapacious pipeline oil company named Kinder Morgan is trying to run a pipeline through the forested residential area of Burnaby Mountain near Simon Fraser University in Vancouver. We notified the courts and the police this week as the dispute was heating up that we are asserting the jurisdiction of the common law over this dispute. That is, we notified the Supreme Court of Canada that their authority is null and void as a body that serves the criminal institution known as the Crown of England. We notified the Royal Canadian Mounted Police that their authority was null and void under the same doctrine of serving a criminal power makes you a criminal as well. We've also notified the Mounties that if they disregard this order revoking their authority and ordering them to stand down in this dispute, that they will be arrested by common law peace officers appointed by the West Coast Common Law Court of Justice operating now in Vancouver, Canada. This order of revocation was issued just yesterday. It was delivered in hand to Royal Canadian Mounted Police members who were illegally arresting and detaining people in that protest. And sure enough, we heard yesterday a number of important responses. The Supreme Court in British Columbia denied the continued injunction to Kinder Morgan Company on Burnaby Mountain. It ordered the release of all those arrested, unconditional release, and the drilling of a new bore site on the mountain has ceased by Kinder Morgan. All of these are in direct response to the assertion of our common law authority in this area. Now, I want you all to know that this is an example of the power we have to reclaim our country from the murderers who are running it right now, from the corporate and church and government interests that not only exterminated Indigenous people, but are continuing to exterminate all of our people, grabbing our children, taking our authority and liberties away from us because we're allowing it. This is an example how we can take back our nation by asserting the authority of the Republic of Canada and the common law courts. We've proven once again that it works. We are now calling all of you to join our movement, to take out citizenship in the Republic of Canada, to revoke your allegiance to the Crown of England and the Government of Canada, and especially to the genocidal churches, the Roman Catholic, United Church of Canada, and Anglican churches, to help disestablish these institutions, to reclaim our nation. This is a call to join the common law courts operating in your community. Write to us, ITCCS office, that's the International Tribunal of the Crimes of Church and State, ITCCS office at gmail.com. They're coordinating the common law court movement. And also contact the Republic of Canada. It's Provisional Council based in Winnipeg. Republic of Canada, that's Canada, K-A-N-A-T-A, Republic of Canada at gmail.com. Website is republicofcanada.com. And join us in these direct actions, because this is a way we're not only going to take back the country, but win over these police agents, the agencies of repression that once served the Crown. We have more and more evidence that they're coming to serve us. We've been approached by RCMP officers willing to help serve our summonses and warrants and establish the authority of Canada because they know the corruption that they're involved in. So anyway, folks, this is a bright and exciting time. It shows you that our warrants do work. The courts of Canada and the police are responding. We have the power to win. Carry this on. There will be more updates. I thank you.